Hello everyone, it's me again Edmund and welcome back to a new tutorials, tips and Windows technique that it could help for us. In this video, I'll show you how to remove the activate Windows watermark from the PC, and this watermark are always appear on the right side on your computers. So the first step, you need to open up the searching bar on your computer and type this command prompt and then click as run as administrator and then click yes. And here now the command prompt homepage. So the next step, you need to type this command bcdd.exe and then space and the symbol set and then space and then test signing off. So all capital letters, guys. So you need to follow this format bcdd.exe and then set this space and then test signing off, and then after that you need to press enter. So after press enters, guys, you need to restart your PC. All right, and then this should remove the watermark after the reboot. If you are still seeing the test mode or the watermark still not removed, you need to do the another option to type this two command. So same process. You need to write the bcdd.exe and this set, right, and then space load option and then space enable next integrity and then check. So this you need to follow, guys, the format. So you need to follow this bcdd.exe set space load options space enable integrity and check, and then another you need to reboot your computer to remove the watermark activate on your PC. Alright, guys, so and hope you will learn again in this very simple tutorials about this Windows technique. And thank you guys for watching, and if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and click the bell notifications to update upcoming more videos and tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next vlogs.